Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to edit employee profile here in Zoho People. All right, so first up, you can go ahead and go to home right here. Now go to a team or organization. Okay, now you can go ahead and click on employee tree or a department tree. All right, now when you click on one department, as you see here, we have two options. So I'm just going to basically click on one. I'm going to click on the view profile option right here. And if you're an admin or super admin, you can just easily edit the profile from here. Just click on three dots at the top, view profile once more. Now you can go ahead and edit. All right. Now another option is by going to the top right, click on the gear icon. Now go to manage users or manage accounts. And then here we have the list of all users within the organization. Now to edit one, just click on one name, right here. Here we have the employee ID. You can go ahead and add in the nickname. Maybe click on the pencil icon, hit on 10. Check mark to save the changes. Okay, location right here, currency, check mark, source of hire, maybe date of birth, age will be automatically added. Okay, just add in the date of birth, maybe 2000s right here, 2000, January 1st, just for example, as you can see here, 25 years and 10 months, gender, don't forget to click on the check mark. Okay, gender right here, you'll have a drop down, marital status as well. Just don't forget to hit on the check mark. Okay, married, check mark. About me, ask me about expertise, contact details, you name it. Okay, just basically fill in the required fields right here, or all of the fields if you want to. And once done, no need to click on the save button as you already did while adding right here. All right, that is it. Just close it. And once done, an employee profile has now been edited or updated. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.